We've enjoyed this interaction immensely. You are in a really good place. Have fun. Don't work hard. No homework. No homework. Talk about it if you feel like, but be light and have fun and get out there in the beauty of this day. And we will resume tomorrow. We'll pick up where we left off, and tomorrow, even more than today. There is great love here for you. For now. You're welcome. What a fun day. I like that. All right. Let's go eat.